Here's HTML for a silly form that asks for a username and which type of computer system they use. This is the PHP code that processes the silly form. It confirms that the form was submitted and that data is supplied. Error messages are output if things aren't right. Otherwise, the code just spits out whatever was input. Here's the form in the browser. I'll fill it in. And there you go. But do you really need two separate documents to handle this action? Here are the same two files combined into a single PHP file. An if decision determines whether to output the form HTML or to process the form. If submitted, the post variable here is true, false otherwise. Suppose that it's false, which would be when the page is first loaded. Execution would start here with a print statement outputting a here-to-doc. Everything that follows this chunk of text is just output as HTML. Be aware that the end tag must be at the start of the line and terminate with a semicolon. This part of the code is output first, presenting the form to the user. The action in the form tag is the same name as this document. If the post array contains data, it's extracted here. An if test confirms that both fields are filled. If not, say the user just clicks submit, this statement is executed and its line output. The user can then click the back button and try again. Otherwise, the information is output in these lines. Here's a sample run. You see the URL shows the PHP document, but the HTML portion is output as the post array is empty. Nothing has been submitted yet. I'll fill in the form. And here are the results. Same file name, different output depending on whether the form's data was submitted. Your challenge is to take this HTML code, which presents a list of radio buttons, and this PHP code, which processes said HTML form's buttons, and merge them into a single PHP document. Just as shown in this video, present the form first. Then, when data is submitted and verified, display the output. My solution is available for you in the exercise files, along with comments, hints, and such. You'll also find the starting files as well. Take a peek, but only after you attempt this challenge on your own.